Current situation is hurricane's coming, so Target is packed, guys. There's no bread left, so we got hot dog buns. Got my coffee because I just can't handle this. I found these by the front of Target. They're $3 a piece. I'm gonna add these to my collection box that I have at home. I have batteries and water. Anyway, be careful out there, people in Florida. Hurricane is coming. It's not heading directly where I'm at, but we're gonna get rain and storm surge and everything. So be careful, guys. Hurricane prep is underway.